Today, Kimberly will be using our Epson FastFoto scanners to convert pictures into digital files. Begin by logging into the patron account of one of our computers. Insert your USB stick either into the side of the screen or behind it if you're using the Mac. Lift the top of the scanner. Fully extend the photo-catching tray and press the power button to turn on the machine. Next, double-click on the FastFoto app. Once the app is open, click the File icon to open a selection of locations where you can save your scanned pictures. Kimberly has used this scanner before, so she already has her folder, but you can make your first one by selecting Make a New Folder and giving it a name that represents your pictures. In the top right corner, find the gear icon to enter settings. Click Scan Settings to choose a level of quality. Higher quality means it will take more time, but it will still be pretty quick. Another useful section is enhancements. These are often worthwhile, but it's a good idea to create second copies in case they aren't what you were expecting. Insert your stack of photos into the top of the machine and adjust the sliders on either side to hold them in place. This works best when all photos are the same size. When you press Start Scanning, you will be prompted to input more information about the photos. You can skip this step, but it can be helpful to have clearly labeled photos later on. Now the photos will begin scanning one by one. This video showcases the slowest possible speed of a scan, so you can see how long it takes when you set it to the highest quality, scan both sides, and create two copies. When your batch of photos has finished scanning, you can enter more photos, maybe of another size, or finish your session. Double check that you have all your photos by opening the file folder, looking under your USB's icon, and finding your newly scanned photos. To edit the photos, go back to the app and click on a photo. For example, this one came out sideways, so we can use the tools along the top of the screen to turn it. Much better. You can also cut away unnecessary background content by using the crop tool. Click and drag the edges of the frame, and be sure to select Apply to save these changes. Very cute. Open the file folder again, and right-click on your USB's icon to safely eject it. Now you can grab your USB and enjoy your much more portable and shareable photo album.